iba na po yung topic natin
That is
ngayon.
correct, yeah.
Mr. Chair, can I...
Thank you.
Before they go, can I make a statement? Just brief, sir.
Sige, make it brief and
Yes,
short.
sir.
Ha?
Sa tanan biktima, katong panahon nga ako
Tagalog,
City
in Tagalog. Speak
Bisaya
to them.
kasi kasabot sila Bisaya, sir. Katong tanang biktima, wala na ako control tanan akong tao. Yes, it is true I am the city director. But lahat ng station commander are also tasked to implement the war on drugs. Merong mga station commander in charge. Now, pangutanan ninyo ang sa ako gibuhat as city director. During that time, tanan sila, ginahatagan na mong seminar, ginatudluan na ako. Kapag abot na ako sa Cebu City, talaga wala good sila kabalo. Unsa ang pagbuhat, unsa buhaton. That is why, pag nainahitabo sa inyo ha, at it appears na mga pulis na ako ang involved, ginatas ang NBI to take cognizance so that kung sakali man ang resulta ng investigasyon is not favorable sa inyo, at least sasabihin ninyo, the investigation is fair. So I always, the crime scene is always open for the NBI to take cognizance. And nandun po palagi yung aming crime lab, which is a separate unit, which is not under my supervision and control po, to take cognizance sa crime scene. Yun po yung nangyari po sa Cebu. And I am very sorry in behalf of my men na nagkamali sa inyo. I'm very sorry. But I cannot control all of them. Lahat sila trained police officer. Alam nilang rules of engagement. But alam mo, once you are in the ground, you will always use your discretion. Hindi mo yan talaga, instinct yan ng tao, discretion. At nakita ko rin naman na ginamit na nagkakamali. Inaamin ko may nagkakamali. Pero pinagbibigyan ko kung saan nyo gusto mag-file ng case, pinagbibigyan ko, hinahayaan ko. At lahat po yan na-process ang crime scene. Which is not under my control ang crime scene. Separate unit mo humahawak niyan. Then I am sorry to all victims kung hindi ko na-investigahan isa-isa yung case nyo.
Okay, salamat, Colonel Garma.
Mr. Chair, Mr. Chair.
Yes,
I
Congressman Abante.
want to appreciate Colonel Garma for apologizing, no? But I just would like to correct her. Because she said a moment ago that she believes in the constitutional right of these victims. Now she is saying that they know the rules of engagement. What rules of engagement are you talking about here? The fact is this, Colonel Garma. Your men, and that includes you, violated the constitutional rights of these people